Amazon just dropped a new program and it is designed to shake up all of e-commerce. Their new program called Amazon Haul is a direct response to Temu and Shein, which are two platforms that have been stealing Amazon's revenue for quite some time. But here's the kicker. This move might completely change the game for millions of third-party sellers on Amazon. Now in this episode, I'll break down exactly what the Amazon Haul program is, how it works, why it could be bad news for many sellers, and most importantly, what you can do to adapt and stay competitive. Now, my name is Jimmy Smith, and if you don't know who I am, I've built and scaled multiple e-commerce and Amazon businesses to 6 and 7 figures while helping thousands of others start and grow their online businesses. And I make these videos because I want to make selling online simple for those seeking financial freedom. Now, as someone in the industry since 2015, it's important that I address this new development, even though it's a little bit outside the scope of what I typically discuss on this channel. Now, for decades, Amazon has dominated online shopping with two key strengths. First, low prices, and second, fast delivery. And I would add additionally a third one, which is kind of a bonus one, which is having a ton of products for people to purchase, right? Becoming the everything store. Now with Prime, they built the most advanced logistics network in the United States, offering 1 to 2 day delivery to over 180 million Prime subscribers. And they've also been able to get products to customers within hours in select markets for groceries and other products that are available in those programs. But over the years, the game has changed. And in recent years, due to the economic downturn and many other factors, many customers have begun caring more about saving money than getting the items as quickly as possible. Now, that's not the case for every customer, and I'll talk about that a little bit more later, but this is a concern for many of Amazon's customers. So enter Temu and Shein, which are two Chinese-owned platforms offering very low prices for unbranded products. And here are some glaring statistics for you on Temu. Now, first, Temu alone was the most downloaded e-commerce app of 2023. With 337.2 million downloads worldwide. That nearly doubled the downloads of the Amazon Shopping app, which was downloaded essentially 1.8 times more than Amazon Shopping. Additionally, there are 167 million active users worldwide on Temu as of October 2024. And Amazon has over 310 million active users, but this is still a huge problem for Amazon's business because they're losing market share. Another huge factor is that Temu's largest group of visitors in April 2024 were between the ages of 25 and 44 years old at about 41.2% of their customers. Now, this is a key demographic for purchasing power. It always has been. It's a key demographic for advertising towards, and it's a key demographic for what Amazon looks at for the long-term stability of their business. And almost half of Temu's income comes from high earners who make over $190,000 per year, which is surprising considering they're known for their low prices. However, what Temu has done well is provided convenience, and they even gamified the shopping experience by incorporating interactive elements like spin to win games and card flip challenges and random rewards and other mini games that reward users with discounts, coupons, and free products. So this also appeals to the younger demographic that will ultimately be the key demographic for shopping moving forward, because the younger demographic likes gamification in their shopping experiences. Now that may change in the future, but as of right now, Temu and Shein have done a very good job of doing this, and now Amazon's trying to react to it. Now let's quickly talk about Shein's statistics as well. So Shein was downloaded 261 million times in 2023, and in June of 2024, Shein was the most visited fashion and apparel website in the world, outpacing Nike, Amazon, and every other fashion website. Gen Z is their largest demographic, but millennials and Gen X are the fastest growing buyers, which again, that's the key demographic that Amazon cares about. So how is Amazon responding? By launching Amazon Haul, a platform designed to mimic Temu and Shein. On November 13th, 2024, Amazon launched the beta version of their Haul program through a mobile-only experience on their Amazon Shopping app. Now here's how it works. Haul offers low-cost, unbranded products shipped directly from Chinese suppliers. These items will be priced under $20. They'll typically be weighing less than a pound as of right now. That could change in the future. And delivery will take approximately 9 to 11 days. Now, Amazon is currently onboarding Chinese manufacturers to ship directly to US customers. Now, why is this significant? because Amazon is cutting out the middleman, namely FBA sellers in this program, to compete directly in the low-cost, high-volume marketplace. And this shift is likely to make things harder for US-based FBA sellers unless they make changes soon. Long gone are the days of finding some generic product from China or some manufacturer overseas, throwing a label on it, pricing it 5 times what you purchased it for, and succeeding on the Amazon marketplace with a bad private label product. Now, that ultimately has led to bad products on Amazon that Amazon has tried to get rid of over the years by doing more with brands, but now they're creating this own separate program called Amazon Haul so that then there can be those generic and cheap products provided to their customers that want the savings over the premium products. So now there are actually a few things that you as a seller should be doing that I highly recommend, which will differentiate yourself from this new program so that you can continue to succeed on the Amazon marketplace, whether you're a private label seller, arbitrage seller, a wholesale seller, etc. But first, let's break down the challenges that Amazon FBA sellers now face. First is price disparity. So Amazon FBA sellers have to pay FBA fees, referral fees, FBA storage costs, and pick and pack fees. Chinese sellers on Haul bypass all of that. We're talking $3 pillows and $5 shirts, extremely cheap products that take a few weeks to ship to the customers and come directly from the Chinese manufacturers. Now, second is direct competition in the search results. Now, Amazon currently has the Amazon Haul program in its own section of the mobile shopping app only. We have to be honest here. Do you actually think that Amazon will keep these low-cost products separate from regular search results in the long term? Once there's enough demand and customer adoption, I personally don't believe that they're going to keep it separate. This is just me guessing, but ultimately Amazon does have a history of always wanting to show the lowest priced option for the consumer as long as it has good reviews and good ratings. And so right now, Amazon is separating it because it's still in a beta program. Amazon has no reason to put it next to all of the other products in its marketplace. But as there becomes more customer adoption and as there become reviews and they start to get feedback on this program, if it's a success, I personally believe that they're going to start adding in some of those products, maybe not all of them, but adding in some of them to the main search results. And so as FBA sellers, especially if you do private label, this is something to be considerate of as you move forward in your messaging on your private label products that you're listing on the Amazon marketplace. We need to make sure that your product appears to be premium and much better than the cheaper products that are coming from this Amazon Haul program, because in the long term, you are going to be judged based off that if Amazon incorporates the Haul program into their regular search results. Now, the third thing is that there's dominance of Chinese sellers. Now, right now, Chinese sellers actually make up over 50% of Amazon's top sellers according to Marketplace Pulse. Now, with Haul, this could climb to 75% or more as they no longer need to ship inventory to Amazon warehouses or pay any hefty fees. Let's take a look at Amazon's announcement that they specifically put out on this Haul program before we get to how sellers can succeed in the midst of this new program. Now, here is the announcement from Amazon, specifically on November 13th, introducing Amazon Haul, a broad selection of products, $20 or less, with most under $10. Now, this US beta launches today, as of November 13th, 2024, in the Amazon shopping app, featuring fashion, home, lifestyle, electronics, and other products, all backed by Amazon's A to Z guarantee with delivery times of 1 to 2 weeks. Now, it talks a little bit about Amazon's history of trying to provide a bunch of products across a lot of different categories on Amazon's program at a cheap price, or at least the cheapest price available. But building on this long-standing partnership with FBA, they're introducing an experience in the Amazon shopping app and mobile website called Amazon Haul that provides customers in the US a place to discover even more affordable fashion, home, lifestyle, electronics, and other products with ultra low prices and typical delivery times of 1 to 2 weeks. It offers a wide selection of products, all priced $20 and under. And this is the key point. It's backed by Amazon's A to Z guarantee, which protects customers when they buy in our store, whether they are sold by Amazon or one of our selling partners. Amazon Haul is now rolling out in beta and available to US customers when they next update their Amazon shopping app. I've seen this in my Amazon shopping app and have played around with it just to look at the different products and prices that are in there. And there are some crazy low prices, and Amazon's really trying to push even more discounts right now to get people to adopt this new program. You can kind of see what it looks like here if you don't have that in your Amazon shopping app. Once you update it, you'll be able to see the Haul program. It even says beta next to it. Now, finding great products at very low prices is important to customers, and we continue to explore ways that we can work with our selling partners so they can offer products at ultra low prices, says the vice president of worldwide selling partner services at Amazon. Amazon Haul aims to help make shopping for fashion, home, lifestyle, electronics, and other products even more fun, easy, and affordable. So they're going to start doing more of that gamification. You can actually see that on the app right now. And it's all backed by Amazon's A to Z product guarantee, so customers can shop with confidence that the products they're purchasing are safe, authentic, and in the condition they expected. Now, it's early days for this experience. We'll continue to listen to customers as we refine and expand it in the weeks and months to come. Again, Amazon is in this beta program. Once they see success from it, if they do, they will expand on this program. If they don't see success from it, then they most likely will get rid of it or change it in some way. But I believe they're going to see some success because of the adoption that customers already have on their marketplace. And so it's going to be an easy thing for people to get into if they want to save money at lower shipping costs. Ultimately here, low prices, extra savings, free delivery on orders over $25. It's its own shopping experience, its own search, its own cart, and its own checkout, so customers can build up a great haul of items at low prices. All these items are priced at $20 or less, with the majority under $10 and some as low as $1. And customers can also enjoy even more savings when they add more items to a single order, with 5% off orders over $50 and 10% off orders over $75 or more. So they're incentivizing even higher purchasing requirements to get an additional discount on these different products. Now, customers can find these in the Amazon shopping app, as we've discussed. There's a lot of different examples here on an array of colorful table runners for $2.99, an iPhone 16 case for $1.79, extraordinarily cheap prices. Now, here's the other thing. If any customer chooses not to keep an item, they offer free returns on all Amazon haul purchases over $3 within 15 days of delivery. And they provide customers with the same convenient and hassle-free returns process at over 8,000 locations across the US, as they do with all of their Amazon FBA products. Additionally, having this backed by the A to Z guarantee will give customers more confidence and will further increase the adoption of this program. So as a seller, how can you fight back on this program? How can you succeed in this new world of the direction that Amazon is going to compete with Temu, Shein, and other low-cost marketplaces? Well, the good news is that there are strategies to not just survive, but thrive in this new environment. And so first, you want to look, especially as a private label seller, to target premium customers. The reality is that low-cost markets are a race to the bottom. And as FBA sellers, we cannot compete with this Amazon haul pricing or the program itself. So instead, you need to position your products as a premium. High-end customers will value quality over the price, and focusing your messaging on this in your listings is what's going to separate you from the haul program and even other sellers. So be sure to make your product better. Charge more for the high-end product that you provide. Plus, being a premium brand in many cases can increase your profit margins so you can grow your business even more. If you're someone with kind of thinner profit margins, look to increase your prices because you're going to want to differentiate yourself from the rest of the sellers out there. And if you can actually make yourself a premium brand, then there is actual legitimate reason for you to increase your prices and try to differentiate yourself there. Now, the second thing is to focus on building a real brand. Now, this is critical. A brand isn't just a logo, right? It's a connection with the audience that you're serving. And so you need to invest in content creation and emotional marketing to make your brand much more memorable. Partnering with influencers that have an audience that you serve with your product. If you can focus on people that already have an audience and you can provide a product to that audience, then you will see success in building that brand. Getting the word out there. If you follow the first step that I mentioned of making your product even better and being a premium product, then you should be getting much more rave reviews from your customers. Your business will grow from that word of mouth and from your advertising and marketing, and hopefully your profits should grow with it. Now, number 3 is to look to diversify your sales channels. Relying solely on Amazon has always been risky, so you should focus on building your own website using platforms like Shopify and growing your email list through those influencer partnerships, advertising, etc. But also exploring marketplaces like Walmart or Etsy to spread your sales across multiple channels to really diversify the income that you get for your brand and for your products. Now, the fourth thing that you should be looking at is leveraging wholesale and arbitrage opportunities. Now, for many people in my audience, this is what we are already doing, is arbitrage and wholesale, reselling products, reselling other people's brands that already have demand on the Amazon marketplace. And believe it or not, there are ways for resellers to use this Amazon haul program to their advantage. So the business model is quite simple, right? You find products at online or retail stores that already have demand. And this means that you're capitalizing on a stronger brand presence on Amazon and reselling those products for a profit by providing them on Amazon FBA. Essentially, finding products from one store, moving them to Amazon FBA, and seeing profits from that. And you can also see the pricing history of those products if you utilize a tool like Keepa from Keepa.com. And that allows you to have some confidence that these products products will sell at a profitable price and predictably throughout the future. Now, Amazon haul really won't affect this business model much. So if you're an arbitrage or wholesale seller, you're not going to see a huge amount of change in your business, because if you are a reseller, whether it's arbitrage or wholesale, you are selling brand name products that people are already searching for. And therefore, we are not competing with the Amazon haul program. We're not competing with Temu. We're not competing with Shein. Now, for wholesale sellers, this shift also means a potential increase in demand for branded or specialized products that are not available on the Amazon haul program. By establishing those strong relationships with reputable suppliers, you can differentiate yourself in this marketplace that now will be flooded even more with generic products. Plus, you can actually use this Amazon haul program as a differentiator whenever you talk to wholesale suppliers and talk to brands to get new brand exclusive relationships. You can discuss this Amazon haul program and how you can differentiate their brand on Amazon from all these other generic products that now exist on the Amazon platform. So that's that. By the way, if you're an Amazon, Walmart, eBay, or other e-commerce seller looking to grow and scale your business, then check out my Business Building Legends program. It is designed to help you with scaling and optimizing your business. If you go to askjimmysmith.com/legends, you can check out that program and apply. You can also click the first link in the description. Full disclosure though, it is a sales page and it is designed to sell you something. I'm not going to pretend that it's not. You don't have to click that link. I don't really mind if you click it or not, but ultimately feel free to check it out if you're looking to scale your existing business in multiple ways onto multiple platforms. Now, Amazon's haul program is a clear sign of where e-commerce is headed. The question is, are you as a seller ready to adapt? Let me know in the comments, are you worried, or do you see this as an opportunity to grow your business in new ways? So that's all for this video. If you liked the video, there's a button for that, so be sure to press it if you did. Also, subscribe if you want more content that keeps you engaged to the end that relates to Amazon, e-commerce, and side hustles and businesses. Ultimately, I hope that this video helped you and blessed you, and that you have a great rest of your day and a blessed rest of your week.